This 19th century chateau is for sale. Located in Haute Garonne, France, it offers 7 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. A 19th century chateau offering approximately 600 square meters of living space, set within over 3 hectares of wooded grounds with paddocks. Additional features include a large outbuilding, gym, workshops, and garage, as well as a saltwater swimming pool with pool house. The asking price of this 19th century chateau is €798,000. For more information, see the property listing in the description below. Thank you for watching.